If you're a coach, then these are the 3 legal contracts that you need to protect yourself as a coach and avoid any kind of legal issues in your coaching business. As a business lawyer, unfortunately, I see a lot of coaches getting into legal trouble and losing thousands and thousands of dollars when their client decides to sue them or simply does not pay them for the coaching services. So make sure to have these 3 agreements in place. Number 1, you need a solid coaching agreement that defines the scope of work, payment terms, as well as, most importantly, gives appropriate coaching disclaimers to limit your legal liability so that the client doesn't come after you for legal damages. The second agreement that you should have in place as a coach is called an independent contractor agreement or a freelance contract. This is needed when you're going to hire freelancers to help grow your coaching business, such as virtual assistants, social media managers, and anyone else that you hire. The third agreement you need is an LLC operating agreement, especially if you're in the US, to protect your personal assets and separate your coaching business from your personal stuff. Download our legal bundle for coaches to get access to all of these templates and more.